What's going on, guys? Sethward here and welcome back to another video. Today we are installing our first mod on our Mustang GT, and the reason I titled the video this way is because I haven't seen a lot of people put this on, and I really do think it is probably one of the simplest and coolest things, and I think that every Mustang should have it, and I think that yours should too. So what is that? It is going to be the taillight sequencers for the Mustang GT or any Mustang model since 2010. You guys obviously know how the taillights will do the sequence every single time you turn the turn signals on. So it goes the tri-bar sequence. What these do is these actually allow that sequence to happen anytime those lights turn on, which is the way I think it should be anyway. They're designed as a sequential unit, so why would they not play the sequence every single time? So this means anytime I unlock it, lock it, it's gonna play the sequence. My personal favorite, when it does the brakes, it'll do the sequence out on both sides and then they'll stay illuminated. And honestly, it's just a really simple install. So let's go ahead and get to it. Pop the trunk. I do think we need to start with these guys to take this plastic off. These are two little screws right here, it looks like. Pop this one out. Get the ones on this side. And 4. Ah, okay, easy. One side, other side. Just pull this guy off. I think these are pins. Just be gentle with it. Comes right out. So I have a spare tire. These cars typically do not come with a spare tire. There's a funnel? No way. Huh. Good to know. That's gonna be really handy if I ever need to put oil in my car or something. That's good to know. Pretty sure they're on the sides here, so all right. So lining out of the way. Where's my plug? Oh, it's right here. Don't know if you guys can see that. I'll get the other camera. So I think the only thing I have to undo is this right here. Gonna pull that out, plug the sequencer in between that, and we should be good to go. Oh, there it is, easy. These are two different ones. This goes the other way. Yes. Boom. And this one goes in here. Plug it in, come on. There it is. All right. Test it out, shall we? Hey. All right. Ah, oh, beautiful. How much nicer is this and how simple? Stock. Upgrade. Okay, just so you guys know, there is a pin back here and I ended up pulling it out just by bending that thing. All right, let's get the other side open. Pop this guy out. Now this is easy because you don't have to deal with a subwoofer. If you get the higher end, you're gonna have to deal with the subwoofer. Oh, this one feels like it's so much more exposed. This one should be easy. One. And sequencer. Well, that was easier than the left side. That's funny. All right, how simple is that? All right, guys, that is gonna do it for this quick little install video. Once again, I'm gonna show you what these sequencers look like. So much cooler, so much better. Super easy, so it does this basically for every function, and it's a very simple install that I think everybody should put on their car. So I'll leave the link to this from CJ Pony Parts in the description if you guys want to check out the sequencers. I highly suggest you get them because honestly not a lot of people have them, and I don't know why, because it's so cool and it's so simple, and I feel like everybody should have them. And I've got a ton more mods and videos coming for you guys. This is a simple little one. I'm glad you guys could watch it and follow along with me, and if you enjoyed, please leave a like. I would love to share with you some more Mustang content and show you guys what you are all loving. That being said, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.
Survive.